In every industry, there's an ecosystem. You've got big companies, you've got micro companies, and everything in between. Part of what this conference does is help to bridge the gap between all of those different players. We're bringing all those people together. What that does is that includes a sharing of ideas, a sharing of knowledge, and a sharing of resources.
Everyone has different backgrounds and experiences, but this is really giving everyone the fundamentals, the partnerships, the clients, the supplies that they need to be successful.
That's where when you begin to pull those people into the same room, you actually level up an entire industry.
This conference for me it has to be the best because of the different workshops.
So with the hands-on training, we're going over all the different kind of signal flow, getting to understand how the hash boards work, getting used to using all the different tools that are necessary to actually do repairs in the industry.
If you future-proof your Bitcoin mining business by understanding the right business models and you have the right access to capital as well as affordable supplies, then you should always be able to remain a profitable business in this industry. But it takes knowing the right people and being in the right place at the right time. So I'm so glad that this conference has started to catalyze that for more people.
We've had so many conversations of people who are in this industry, not just because of creating or generating Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, but the why behind it is really mission driven.
What I'm looking specifically is on how to grow from being a home miner into something larger scale.
I barely knew what mining was before this conference. Coming here, I definitely learned a lot more.
I'm looking to learn more about and expand on natural gas mining.
Here at the mining conference, whether you're just getting started and you want to learn more about mining and what Bitcoin mining is, there's so much value here.
So we're bringing in people who are master electricians. We're bringing in business owners and small business owners who are trying to build and grow their operations. The technical skill set that's going to maintain and repair the mining gear specifically.
This is really intimate. It gives you the opportunity to share who you are, get your name known, as well as generate those key relationships that you're looking for.
And that's what we're building. This community that we're building is a collaborative community of people trying to build this ecosystem and stabilize the industry.